Google ads or Facebook ads? It's a debate which keeps on going on and on the internet. It's the same debate, discussions, arguments which still go on about Nikon versus Canon, Mac versus PC. So if you ask me, again would say use both. I would use Google ads because they are the most converting ads in my humble opinion. The reason being, you or anyone else will go to Google when you have a problem and you're looking for a solution to your problem. Now, if you are in a very specific niche like a dentist or a physiotherapy or a cab service, you are not going to go to Facebook to find out, okay, who's the best doctor or where's the cab company. You're absolutely going to go to Google. So for conversions and direct call to actions, go to Google and start running Google ads. The way I use Facebook is target those visitors to my website and retarget them on Facebook, because I know on Facebook and Instagram, which is obviously owned by the same company, all my audiences are hanging out there and they are on these two channels. So I don't want to leak my sales funnel. So I want to put my brand and message in front of them at all these touch points so that they don't leak away. And this is how I tend to use Facebook and Instagram, by retargeting to them with my image ads, video ads, or any other types of ads which you want to run on those channels. So for me, I would go after my cold audience on Google ads and the warm audience on Facebook and Instagram. And that's how I make my campaigns work. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next ones. Bye for now.